Hey guys, welcome back to your midweek chair yoga practice. I'm Mandy. I'm a yoga teacher and yoga therapist, and I'll be guiding this sequence to help reset and regulate your nervous system. Find a comfortable chair, one that your feet can make contact with the ground. You may have to sit a little forward on your chair. I know I don't have you for a lot of time here, so let's get into the practice. In your comfortable seat, rock side to side. And begin to slow this rocking down so you can tune in to the subtlety of your rocking across your sitting bones and the fleshy, meaty parts of your bottom. Let's add in some circles. Draw your chest forward and back, and continue to drop your awareness into this transition of your body weight at your root. Go the opposite direction. It is October when I'm filming this, so it is the Halloween season. You could imagine you're stirring the witch's cauldron, the soup of your own self-care, if you will. Go the opposite direction once more. And then come into stillness in any way that comes naturally to you. You might notice your body still wanting to make a few extra movements, and let that happen. Let your body participate in this practice today. Inhale, reach your arms up, look up, and take an extra sip of air. As you exhale, push the heel of your hands out and sigh. Twice more. Inhale. Sip. Sigh. Last one. Inhale, reach up. This time, gather your palms together and exhale to heart center. With your hands in front of your heart, your fingertips touching, leave a little space in your palms here. Invite you to close your eyes. And if there's an intention that you'd like to set for this practice, a way you'd like to feel when we're done, maybe more peaceful or at ease, you could just hold that in your hands here at your heart center. Set aside anything that came before this class, anything that will come after, so you can be more fully here, more fully present. Release your hands down and open your eyes. Inhale, look to the right, and exhale back to center. Inhale, look to the left. Exhale back to center. One more time. Inhale right. Exhale center. Inhale left. Exhale center. This time tip your right ear to your right shoulder and exhale chin to collarbone. Breathe into your left side neck, creating space and length. Notice both feet firmly on the ground. Release any efforting in your breathing here. Inhale, lift your head back up to center. Let's take an inhale here. And when you're ready, drop your left ear to your left shoulder. And your chin can come towards your collarbone. Press down into the earth with your feet. And release any effort in your whole body. Yoga is a process of subtraction, which means it's a process of doing less. Inhale, come back up to center. Inhale, arms up, look up. Exhale, twist to the right. We get into the posture or the shape, and we can release our effort. Let your body breathe you, And we let the yoga do the work for us. We work hard enough in our daily lives. Yoga allows us to just show up. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, twist to the left. Arrive in your shape. Then release the effort. Becoming a witnesser to your experience rather than the creator of your experience. Inhale, lift your arms up, look up. Gather your palms together and exhale, elbows to knees. If you'd like, you could release your fingertips or palms to the floor or a block. Release your neck if that feels okay, and shake your head no. Nod your head yes. Press down into the floor with your feet and inhale, come all the way back up. Step your feet wide. Root your tailbone down into your chair. Lift your chest. And place your hands over your knees, and we'll do a few rounds of cat-cow. So press down into the earth with your feet. Inhale, lift your chest forward and up, look up. Exhale, round your back, tuck your chin and tailbone. Move through this 3 or 4 times at your own pace. You might tune in to the subtle transition across your sitting bone. See if your tendency to move through these cat-cows is to rush or move quickly. Without judgment, see if you can slow that down. Wherever you're at in this cycle, let's do one more together. Inhaling, reaching your chest and chin up. Exhale into cat, the Halloween kitty, and rise back up to a neutral spine. Let's keep knees wide apart. Press down into your feet. Lift all 10 toes. Take an inhale at center. Exhale, dip your left shoulder to your right knee. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, dip right shoulder to left knee. We'll move through this 3 to 5 times at your own pace. Again, here too, take notice if there's a tendency to rush through, and see if you can slow it down or make space for lingering anywhere your body wants to linger. Let's do one more time to each side. Pressing up to center. You can heel toe your knees to about hip distance apart. Place your fingertips behind your head, not to pull your head forward, but to rest your head back. Gonna move through a few twists. So inhale to center. Exhale, twist to the right. Press down into your feet to keep your pelvis stable. Take a few breaths here. Soften into the pose. Use your exhale to come back to center and take an inhale. Exhale, twist to the left. Press down into your feet, keeping a stable foundation. Sthira and Sukha. Sthira is stability. Sukha is ease. So we create stability so we can move with ease. Exhale, come back around to center. Reach your arms up, look up, palms together, and exhale, elbows to knees once more. Again, you can release your fingertips or palms to the floor or leave your elbows resting on your knees. Few breaths here. Breathe into your backside body. Press down into the earth as if you have roots growing from the bottom of your feet and come all the way up with your arms as well. Palms together, exhale to heart center. Close your eyes here. You could release your hands to your lap if you'd like. Notice your breathing. Notice your heart rate. You could place one hand on your chest and one hand on your belly. And tune in. Notice the quality of your mind. If it's busy or scattered, or perhaps a little more collected and focused than at the beginning of this practice. If hands to heart center is a gesture that you'd like, I invite you to do so, bowing your head towards your heart in appreciation for your own practice, showing up to regulate your nervous system. Thank you so much for sharing your practice with me. If this has been helpful, I do hope you'll subscribe and join me each week to reset your nervous system for resiliency and ease. Thanks for being here. I'll see you next week.